The Chesapeake Bay is the largest estuary in North America. It is a complex, living resource that is well known as a place of natural beauty, abundant fish and wildlife, and water recreation. With more than 534 miles of coastline, Anne Arundel County has more coastline along the Chesapeake Bay than any other county in Maryland. To some degree, all waterfront communities throughout the Chesapeake Bay and its tidal tributaries are affected by shoreline erosion. Erosion is a natural process that occurs over long and short periods of time. Long-term erosion is caused primarily by a combination rising sea level and continuous wave energy. Short-term erosion is driven by boat wakes and high-energy storm events that temporarily raise water levels and form powerful wind-generated waves that can substantially erode and reconfigure the shoreline. Homeowners have long used traditional hardened shoreline methods such as bulkheading and riprap revetments for controlling erosion. In the late 1980s, under its Critical Area Program, Anne Arundel County precluded the installation of new bulkheads as a method for erosion control and began promoting the use of living shorelines. Living shorelines are characterized by wetlands, sand beaches, submerged aquatic vegetation, and mud flats that provide a natural erosion alternative to stabilize the shoreline and allow it to heal itself. Components of a living shoreline typically consist of a sand containment system, which can be constructed with low-profile stone sill or stone breakwater set offshore with filter cloth, sand, fiber logs, and marsh grasses. The benefits of natural shorelines are many. Living shorelines anchor and stabilize the shoreline sediment and reduce land loss due to erosive effects of wind-driven waves and boat wakes. They filter and remove nutrients and pollutants to enhance water quality and habitat for resources in the bay. Living shorelines dissipate wave energy to protect eroding banks and reduce sediment loads from upland sources and in the water column. In many instances, especially in low-wave energy situations, installing a living shoreline is less costly than traditional structural erosion control methods such as bulkheads and riprap revetments. Many waterfront property owners are unaware of living shorelines as an erosion control technique and would prefer a natural shoreline to a hardened structural shoreline. Structural erosion control techniques such as bulkheads and riprap revetments often have a number of structural and environmental problems associated with them. Bulkheading often has a scouring effect at the base of the structure, which can remove material and compromise its integrity. The vertical design of bulkheading placed in open waters permanently reduces the availability of habitat for small fish and other aquatic wild and plant life. Pressure-treated lumber also leaches arsenic, chromium, copper, and other contaminants into the water and can harm aquatic life. Bulkheads do not absorb wave energy and can cause more aggressive transverse erosion on opposing shorelines as well as subaqueous erosion, which can lead to greater resuspension of fine grains in the near shore and along the shoreline. The resuspension of fine grains is one of the biggest contributors of water clarity problems in the Chesapeake Bay. For many reasons, living shorelines are an excellent choice for waterfront properties. They are less costly and last longer than repairing bulkheads and contribute to the health of our Chesapeake Bay. Anne Arundel County is ready to assist you with resources such as up to 2,000 marsh grass plantings for approved projects and information on how to design the best living shoreline for your property. The county has developed a shoreline evaluation to help you determine the health of your shoreline. Visit the Department of Inspections and Permits website at www.aacounty.org/IP to get a copy of the evaluation. For more information, contact the Anne Arundel County Department of Inspections and Permits at 410-222-7441